So what makes the SAVA course, the approach that we take, so unique is the fact that it is absolutely a vocational qualification. It starts, the basis on which it's built is what is it that you as an individual, residential surveyor and valuer, need to know and to be able to do in order to fulfil that role. So that is absolutely the starting point. It comes from the needs of employers or lenders or clients, anybody that might call on your services in the future. And so taking that, the way that we then deliver is that we divide the course into sort of two distinct parts. The first part is the learning, and that's where we give you the knowledge that you need. So we do that with practitioners who are practicing surveyors or practicing lawyers. It's not a theoretical academic exercise, this. Somebody who might be training on the course could have been up a ladder yesterday looking at a problem with the roof. And that's really, really important because this is a really practical thing. It's a really practical job. If you're acting for a client, looking at a house they want to buy, they don't want to know theoretical problems with that house. They want to know the real, actual issues that might be going on with that property. And then, so that's the learning bit of it. And then the practical bit, the assessment bit, is where, in effect, you as a learner give that knowledge back to us. And what you do is you build a portfolio of evidence that is marked by chartered surveyors. And that portfolio of evidence, you go out and you do real surveys and real valuations on real properties. And you do a real inspection, you write that inspection up, and crucially, you tell your assessor exactly what it is you did and why you did it. And that assessor can then, and through a question and answer process as well, can then determine that actually, yes, you really do know what you're doing. And you build up 10 individual properties through the course of this. You build that up so that by the end of it, you really can demonstrate that you know what you're doing.